I am Jolie for VentureBeat, and we are in the Startup America HD Social Lounge at Demo Fall 2011. Here with me is Juan Sanchez of FieldTest, a very excellent, would you call it a service or an application? Let's call it an application.
All right.
Or a program.
Okay.
It's like software, but it's cloud-based.
Right.
It's on the internet.
Right.
And here's what this is the cool part. Actually, I'll let you say that. Tell the nice people out there what your app does.
Sure. So FieldTest is basically a browser-based application that helps people rapidly create mobile prototypes, but just using images. It's not a tool where you go in and drag and drop different components in to build a prototype. You can use pictures of sketches. You can use fully fleshed out comps, and you just layer interactivity on it to create a prototype you can test right on the device.
Saves everybody a lot of time, especially mobile developers who don't have to run through developing somebody's terrible idea into an app that then the designer or entrepreneur decides they don't want to do.
That's the idea. I mean, the application was pretty much born out of my co-founders and I own experience working with building applications.
Are you a mobile developer?
I'm on the design side.
Oh, okay.
So, but I get to feel a lot of the developer's wrath when I design something that can't be done in the time that we have or the budget that we have. Okay. So we wanted to address some of those issues so people could kind of figure out those things early on in the process instead of spending a ton of time and money later on when they can't do what the designer initially designed.
So I could take my terrible napkin idea for a mobile app, upload it to FieldTest, and then use it on my own phone and find out whether it's actually viable.
Right, that's the idea. You can take a picture of a sketch, maybe a whiteboard session where you've done some great brainstorming, capture all that, and turn it into a prototype that you can immediately go out and start testing with real people.
Now, what kind of people do you imagine are going to be using this? I mean, obviously designers. And entrepreneurs, I'm thinking. Right.
So we're in a private beta right now, and we've seen designers using it, developers using it in tandem with designers. They'll run FieldTest side by side with Xcode and use it as a reference to go back and forth. A lot of students have been using it. Students are learning user experience in school. Those programs are rapidly growing. And we also see people like requirements gathering individuals who are using it as a tool to communicate better with their team.
Interesting. All right, guys, you heard it here first. If you have an idea for a mobile app, before you throw it at a developer, go to FieldTest and make sure that it really works. Thank you so much, Juan, and thank you for watching.